What's going on, everybody? It's Jungle Jordan back again to tell you guys something you may not have known about bears. So everyone thinks they know what bears do in the wintertime. Hibernate, right? Wrong. Bears don't actually hibernate. Bears do slow down during the wintertime, but they are not true hibernators like woodchucks. Instead, bears are what is called torpor. When animals hibernate, they sleep through the entire winter and don't wake up when they hear loud noises, or even if they are moved or touched. On the opposite side, a bear can be in torpor and wake up pretty easily and quickly if disturbed. If humans were to stay in bed for a long time, they would most likely suffer from muscle atrophy and bed sores. But bears don't experience muscle atrophy. Why is this? It's most likely due to an ability to absorb urine and recycle it into a protein that preserves muscle mass. Comment below your favorite fact about bears.